So, you've heard the buzz about crypto trading. Maybe you even watched our last video where we spilled the beans on 10 jaw-dropping facts about trading in 2025. If not, pause this video, check it out, and come back. It's packed with insights you don't want to miss. Now, if you're still here, you're ready to take the next step. Let me break it down for you. Starting crypto trading isn't rocket science, but it's definitely not for the faint-hearted. Stick around, because by the end of this video, you'll have the tools to make your first trade, and maybe even your first profit. Point 1. Why start trading now? Let's talk about timing. The crypto market is like an unpredictable storm. It's chaotic, but it creates massive opportunities. Why start now? Because every day you wait, someone else is catching the wave you're missing. Remember, in our last video, we talked about regulation making trading safer and more legit. That's your signal. It's the perfect time to dive in. But don't just rush in blind. Smart traders make moves with purpose, not panic. Want to know the first move smart traders make? Keep watching. Point 2. Build your crypto toolkit. Before you even think about hitting the buy button, you need the right tools. Trading isn't just about luck. It's about strategy. Here's your starter kit. A reliable exchange. Pick one that suits your style. Binance for advanced features. Coinbase for simplicity. Market analysis apps. Tools like CoinMarketCap and TradingView are your new BFFs. They help you track trends and make decisions based on data, not guesses. If you're wondering which tools to start with, we've got that covered in our previous video. Check it out for insider tips. Point 3. Start small, think big. Here's the golden rule, overnight. Spoiler alert, that's the fastest way to lose it. Instead, invest what you can afford to lose. Think of your first trades as training wheels. Learn, experiment, and get comfortable with the process. Because let's face it, you're not going to master crypto trading in one night. But small, consistent wins, those build confidence and, eventually, serious profits. Point 4. Watch and learn. Crypto is a fast-moving world, and staying informed is your superpower. Watch videos like this one, read blogs, and follow reputable traders on social media. But here's a tip. Don't follow the hype blindly. Think critically. Just because someone posts a flashy tweet doesn't mean it's a golden ticket. Learn the basics, apply them, and then, here's the kicker. Go back and watch our previous video to understand the crypto landscape in 2025. It'll give you a solid edge over others starting out. Point 5. Emotional control is the real game. Trading isn't just numbers and charts, it's a mental game. Fear and greed are your biggest enemies. Markets will crash, prices will pump, and your emotions will scream, do something. But here's the truth. Impulsive decisions drain wallets. Stay calm, follow your strategy, and learn to embrace the roller coaster. Trust me. This is where seasoned traders separate from the noobs. Want proof? Head back to our last video where we highlighted the wild volatility of crypto. It's real, but it's also where the magic happens. Starting crypto trading is a journey. Exciting, nerve-wracking, and full of potential. Take your time, learn the ropes, and don't skip the basics. If you found this video helpful, give it a like and subscribe for more beginner-friendly guides. And remember, our last video is packed with trading secrets you can't afford to miss. Go check it out now, because the best time to start crypto trading was yesterday. Second best, right now. Let's go.